What is up, YouTube? This is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys aren't a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up in this video. I am live here at the Tola Expo in Dallas, Texas. You guys know we've been itching to deliver this experience to you, which is getting back to normal, going to these conventions and checking out the new and exciting gear. And this is the first step. I'm going to be visiting CES, Rocky Mountain Audio Fest, CEDIA, all of that this year. So you guys got to subscribe to the channel if you like this stuff, or if you're just looking for some new product to put into your own home. We got you covered. This video right here is going to be about the Samsung Ultra Short Throw projectors. You guys know that we are just getting into Ultra Short Throw, and Kellen, our national sales manager, is actually personally shooting out all of the hot models, Samsung, the LG, the Epson, side by side on different screen materials. So you got to subscribe to the channel and check out those. They're going to be really educational, and it should help you make an educated buying decision. But this particular video is going to be about narrowing down two models, the 17 and 19, which are single layer versus multiple laser projectors. So right here behind me, we have both of them laid out. And I thought this was a very unique situation, so I wanted to bring on one of the representatives here, the training manager from Samsung, and he's going to walk you through the differences between the two setups. So I hope that you guys enjoy this content. If you'd like to purchase anything home theater related, make sure to reach out and show your support. We ship throughout the entire nation. We would love the opportunity to earn your business. All right, guys, let's get into this video. All right, welcome back, guys. I got Ryan here with Samsung, and he's going to walk you through the differences between these two models. Over to you, Ryan.
All right, great. So this is the LSP-17. A couple of differences between this and the 9. This is a single laser projector. Has a color wheel, RGB yellow color wheel that's built into it. It's 2200 lumens capability. We recommend up to about 110-inch screen. In this case, we're using an SI acoustic, ALR screen that's made for ultra short throw projectors. And as you see, super great, the super image, bright, vibrant. We have it set into a piece of furniture from Salamander that's made specifically for it. Has a little sound bar built into it as well, so that you can use the audio if you don't have a bigger audio system surrounding you. We step over to the LSP-9, we're up to 3 lasers, so red, blue, green laser. That allows the TV to be, or the projector to be brighter, more vibrant. It has a much wider color gamut that it covers. You can also shoot a bigger image. In this case, we're using a 120-inch Stewart screen. The other big difference between the two, the 3 laser projector allows us to sit closer to the wall than the single laser projector. The single laser has to sit further away from the wall. And both of them sit a lot closer to the wall than a lot of the competition out there, which is worth noting. But the 9 in particular sits much closer to the wall than many other things out there.
Yeah, on 120-inch, that's pretty close.
Pretty close, yes.
Awesome. Well, I really appreciate you giving us the rundown.
No problem. Thank you.
All right, guys, that is a wrap on our comparison side by side of the 7 and the 9T from Samsung, the LSP-9 and 7T. This is really valuable because I haven't seen this setup anywhere. Really cool comparison. The closest and the best comparables that you're going to get anywhere is coming soon from us. Like I said, Kellen, our national sales director, is actually shooting out all the industry leading models side by side and different screen options too. So here at Dreamedia, we really strive to give you honest feedback and find something that fits your exact needs and budget. We have it all, guys, so reach out today and use our free consultation service. We would love the opportunity to earn your business. All right, that's all I got for you. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.